Hello everybody, welcome back to the maxi, barrel the maxi. Got a few items at the moment which I've been getting hold of. Right, as you can see, plenty of exhaust rubbers. Now these are on eBay, they're about £5 and then postage on top. Some people are like doing it just for £5 with free postage. But these were all from our good local flipping store, Alfred's, and £1.60. So, knowing every rubber on the exhaust is broken, I got a fair few. I think it's about one for the back and two for underneath. I think there's about 3 I need, so I got some spares. And I keep picking them up when I go to Alfred's all the time when they got them in, because they're only selling them for £1.60. So I thought for £1.60 I ain't going to grumble for that. I'll have as many as I can get hold of. So yeah, I got these. So I got plenty of them. But it just says Rover Mini on there. But when I looked at it, it looks exactly the same. So I can't see why not. Then I had to get this one, which came... what day is it today? Oh, it's Wednesday today. This came Monday. And this one, I gave me a receipt for this as well. I didn't realise I had a receipt. Oh, cool. Got a receipt. I like receipts. I can put it in with all the paperwork for the car. Yeah, I had to... Bloody hell, you can never get back in, can you? I had to get this one. And this was, I think it was £8 for this one. No nut on it, so I've got to find a nut. Because the one I got is completely snapped across there. Same with them, they're all snapped. So I got this one. This was £8. I had to get this one off eBay. There's another chap selling them, but his is a bit dearer. So that's that one. So that was that I bought. This came today. This is a brake master cylinder kit, and I got this £4 with free postage. So I'm going to grumble for £4. I thought I'd just get it in, be on the safe side. You never know, because I got to do the brakes anyway, and I know the master cylinder's working, but the fluid which has been in there a long time, so I might as well like, when I do the brakes on the front, you know, front of the car and the rear of the car, I might as well change this one as well, haven't I? Might as well get it all done. I mean, it was only £4. I mean, I'm just looking for little bargains on eBay, as cheap as I can get them. Another one I bought was, oh god, here we go. Get these buggers out. It's a really old box. Now this is for the rear suspension. And there should be 2 of these. And these came yesterday, Tuesday. So I got these. So I'm hoping these are the right ones. And what did I pay for? I think I only paid £4 for these, for the pair. £4 for these. Just local. Well, not local to me, but local to somebody else maybe. They were just getting rid of them. They wanted them out of the way, out of their shop. So, £4. So I said, you just got to keep looking on eBay. You get quite a few people on there want to get rid of their stuff because they don't want it stuck in their shop anymore. Right, what's the next one? The next one is this big, mighty one I've been waiting for down here. Let's get this bugger up. Oh my god! This one came Monday. Oh. God, no wonder why Ian and Dawn got muscles that Arnold Schwarzenegger. God, flip me! This is a heavy piece of item. And yeah, I got this off Ian. Ordered it in. He was willing to do the job for me if I get stuck. But I thought, well, the whole point of having a project is basically doing it yourself. So I thought, I'm going to give it a go. if I do get stuck and get into problems with it, I got Ian's number, so I can always give him a ring. And what happens is this one, it's got to have a spring in there. That fits in there and it slides into there, and that meant, well, it's meant to do something. Pushes out and then pushes on something else, I suppose. But there's meant to be another ball, like a ball joint that sits on this end on I don't know, some piece of metal. But yeah, those go in there anyway. But there should be a spring in there. A spring sits on there, and that sits in there like that. So I thought, I don't know what condition these are in underneath when I, when I take this off. So I thought, might as well get these as well. And I mean, they were only £4. So, and there, like I said, there's a ball joint piece what goes on the other end. This goes on somewhere, and then there's a piece of metal, and then there's like a ball joint that sits at this end. And there's a couple of those that have been on eBay quite cheap. So there's a chap was selling one quite local to where I live actually. So I might just buy that one off of him actually, just in case, because I might need it. A pair would be good, but he's only got the one. Yeah, so I got this bugger to fit, and this is what my problem was. What had happened was on this end actually, it was literally spraying out fluid from the side all around here. It's just spraying out. It was, you could see it trying to do something, and it was just spraying out, just squirting out everywhere. So this one's got a nice new pipe, and yeah, so that's about it really at the moment I've bought for the car. Well, I've ordered some other bits and pieces, but they haven't arrived not yet. I've ordered a screen wash motor, because you got the old push button one, and it's playing up a little bit. So I thought if I put a little electric motor on it, it'd be easier to get the water out to the screen quicker. And that was that. What else did I order? I missed out on eBay on some wheel trims, proper ones for the Maxi. They were on eBay. They started getting a bit too expensive. I think they went for over like 30 quid in the end. So I found a chap what was selling a set, not the proper ones for a Maxi. They're aftermarket ones, brand new. So I bought those, and now I'm waiting for those to arrive. That's about it at the moment really. I'm just like trying to like get all the bits and pieces in, so I've got it. At the moment it's still crappy weather out there. It was nice this morning. I thought, oh, maybe I can go out there and take the exhaust off, because like that needs to come off so I can do these rubbers anyway, and try and make a start on stripping the old one down to this, and probably fitting this one if I could, if I had time. But it turned out to pour down the rain when I thought, well, I'm going to go out the front now and start doing some work on the car, but it decided to rain. And then it went off, and then the sun came back out, and yeah, and then by then it's too late to do anything. So I thought, sod it, I'll leave it. The missus got a few days off of work soon, so hopefully it'll be dry, and maybe then she can give me a hand and fit the bugger and thing. But this is bloody heavy. It's got some weight to it. God, Ian, you must have muscles like Arnold Schwarzenegger, I can tell you. You've got to keep lifting these things in and out of cars all the time. They're bloody heavy. It's truth. Okay, so that's about it really. So it was just a quick update to tell you I've bought more stuff. Haven't forgotten that. I haven't forgotten the car. It's just a case of getting out there to do something. I mean, we've had nothing but snow, and then the snow's buggered off, and now we've got rain again. So it's just finding time to get out there and do something. And I don't want to. I mean, there's other things I could do, but I don't really want to pull it all apart and then have a car with all all the bits and pieces took off it. I'd rather get these bits done first, and then move on to under the bonnet and get that finished off, and then get the braking system all sorted out, Bodywork can be last. I'm not worried about the bodywork for a moment. I just want to get everything up, all done, get the car up and running properly. Oh, I did buy we bought some oil, proper oil for the car, so I can give it an oil change when the time comes. That was something else we bought. And I just got to get antifreeze. I've got me distilled water ready. I use the distilled water. I don't use tap water with the antifreeze. I use distilled water because tap water can still do exactly the same in the kettle. Corrode up and bugger your engine up. And I've always used distilled water, and I've had, touch wood, my brain, everything else, I've had never had a car of overheating problems. So I always use distilled water in my coolant. So that's that. So I bought, like I said, coolant. I got to get off eBay. What else have I got to get? Then I got to just get the brake kits. Then really, I might, yeah, get a full brake kit for the front, full brake kit for the back, and then there's a case. I think I got a set of brand new pads actually out in the shed from old stock what I had from years ago. I just might have to get a new set of rear shoes, and then it's a case of just oiling up the handbrake cable and getting that done, and give the floor of the car a good coat of paint underneath, because I got the paint, I just want to paint it all up underneath. The exhaust was new on the car and it still looks new, but all these rubbers were broke split. There ain't really nothing holding it on. I think there's half of one of these is holding it on. That's about it. It's just dangling. So yeah, so that's about it really. That's all I can tell you at the moment. I've bought. Thank you to everybody who's commented, subscribed, and like I said, it's been quiet with this lockdown and stuff like that. I want to get out there and do things, but the weather's driving me up the wall. And yeah, so I'm well and truly happy I got some bits, but fed up I can't get out there and do anything. It's either too cold, too wet, or snowing. So yeah, so like I said, big thank you to everybody who subscribed. Can't thank you enough. Thank you for all your comments. And God, blimey. And the videos I put on lately, that wasn't me who put those on. That was my missus who put them on, because she was she put them on because she was ill and she had to take time off work for about a week, and well, actually just over a week. Yeah, she was ill from work, and she wanted something to do, so I said to her find some pictures. So she done those videos of like the abandoned cars and the dealerships and all that. Not me, my missus done that, but she thought you might like it, so that's reasons why she done it. She's back to work now. She just tired herself out doing 12 to 13 hours a day every day. It's getting to be a bit too much for her at the moment, and yeah, this corona crap ain't helping that situation. Anyway, like I said, thank you. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep you updated on Barrel and Maxi. Hopefully we can get out there, get this fitted, and yeah, get all of this done, and then maybe we can go for a ride, and then I can film going for a ride for the first time. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.